Hello, it's the Wilderness Trekker here. And today, I'm headed out to Buzzards Roost. That's where I'm at right now. I just pulled into the parking spot. I wanted to do a little bit of hiking in the rain, so I figured, why not? Hopefully it's not gonna hail. I'm hoping. I don't want to get hail damage in my truck, that would be bad. So I think I'm actually just gonna park right underneath the trees. Let's steer, it's like I'm a tractor. That's decently protected. Cool. Let's get on out in the trail. Well, this is Buzzards Roost. There's one other guy here that's as dumb as me, I guess. Yeah, I know there's been a rainstorm coming through. I've got my trekking boots too. It's gonna be all muddy like this. Wow. Got my rain jacket. All decked out. All decked out. Yeah, I just really wanted to, it was raining. It's been raining this whole weekend too. We had a thunderstorm rolling yesterday. I thought it was gonna be pretty bad, but people are actually saying stuff about it, predicting stuff, so I'm like, oh, this might be a big one. It was not. But I guess, this one could be. Yesterday was supposed to be the really bad one. We saw thunderstorms that kind of been here and in and out after yesterday. So yeah, I just figured I'd go, why not? Didn't quite think about my pants too much. These pants aren't waterproof. But it's not cold out, so you win some, you lose some. That really is soothing. The rain. Oh, that's I didn't like that. It's been hot all week. Now I finally get to go outside when it's cool. It's still like it's like 68 or something. And the birds, oh, it sounds so good. I think there's definitely something we said. People who do those wilderness treks and backpack solo, holy moly. I have no freaking clue how they can do that. What the frick? Maybe one day I'll get less freaked out by doing alone stuff. I want to do it more, but I always back out because I get freaked out. In a group, I'm fine. Like as soon as there's two people, oh, I'm fine. I'm chilling. I could be doing like the craziest stuff and the fear factor isn't really there because I'm with someone else. This is awesome. It's not even really raining. It's the drizzling and the opening up of the sky. Like the second I got here in my truck, it was pouring. That was like I'm gonna guess that was the centerpiece, the center part of the climax of the storm. Because now it's just opening back up. You can hear the birds, they're singing more, all flying around. I thought there could be more rain, more going on. Huh. Actually, I wanted to stop here. Let's see. There was a tree here. Oh, there we go. It still has not fallen. I was out here months ago, and this tree was a teeter-totter. And it still is a freaking teeter-totter. Like, look at this. It's not like unstable enough that it moves. It's like perched right there. Split, and then you got a little support. When it falls, that guy's going with it. I'll see what happens. Keep the tree report. Still has not fallen, still has not given up. Honestly, if I have enough energy, I might run down. Once I get to the top, run down from the top. Now I'm reaching the open section where you can see the top. It's right over there. Oh, there's deer. I see you. No, you're just staring me down. Okay. The great part of this trail is I know this route really well. This was my go-to route. Oh, there you go. Their tails that go left, right, left, right, left, right as they run. The deer back in Colorado are a lot stiffer with their tails from what I remember. They don't wag them as much. Those deer are wagging them like dogs. If you don't like spiders, look away. But like, look at that. Oh! Am I seeing that right? Is that me, or is it chock full of eggs? Is that like a billion different eggs? I wouldn't want to be near this bush when it hatches. Dude, these guys are just dumb. These deer are so dumb. You're literally cornering yourself. There's a cliff right here, guys. I'm going to the top, but you guys are going to be stuck right there. Huh, I really don't know where they went. Because if they went this far, they're actually cornered. There might be something down there they can go that's pretty steep that they could probably do. Huh, no. It's just me. Why isn't that sick? Yeah, there's the south part of Rapid City. And then you got a little drop off so you can overlook. You've got, there's High Ciega. And you can scan, see the Black Hills. So peaceful. Okay, I'm gonna go to the other vantage point. You can feel the humidity now too. Post-rain humidity. Whew. Oh, that was a bat. No, that was a bird. My bad. It chirped like a bat. Well, it's sunny out. It's very sunny now. Sun is in full view now. No clouds for a little bit. Yeah, I guess there's another storm coming. I've been sitting here watching it. I guess I'm not done. I think I'm gonna run down. Let's see how this... Ah, it's good. I've got it decently tied. Just need to watch my feet. Yeah, I don't have traction. I can feel me slipping on that rock. Whoop. There's a big puddle around here somewhere I want to watch out for. Probably that. Nope. Slippy, slippy, slippy. I'm gonna dive. I'm joking. Dude, that's trash. I'm gonna take it to the trailhead. Not a great pace, but it's running. It's better than nothing. Whew. Okay, you go right there. Okay. Whew. Okay, now we hit the road. Stay safe, stay adventurous, have fun. This is Wilderness Trekker signing out.